Hello lovelies, hope you're fine. So today I'm here to talk about this beautiful green spice. It is called lemon balm. Very beautiful. As you can see, the leaves look very healthy and beautiful. So why you should grow lemon balm is because it has so many benefits. Especially the tea can be used in improving appetite. You can use it for indigestion. You can use it to reduce stress and anxiety, and besides that it is very flavorful and very tasty. You can also use the leaves for garnishing or for dressing salads, food. It really makes the food to look good, and the flavor. Growing lemon balm is quite easy because you can just buy from the nursery and then transplant it in a pot, and what you need is just sunlight and enough water for the plant to look beautiful and to also give you many branches. Besides that, you can also multiply your plants by cutting branches. Then you just place them in soil or in water. When they bring the roots, transplant them. In that way, you can get so many plants. So products that can be good from lemon balm, we can get lip balm from this herb, bug spray, essential oil, which is very good. They actually use it in spas, and it has that nice citrus flavor and scent. Soap, which is good for your skin, and you can also add it to different juices. You can also add it to water and you drink it. It's very nice, it's very flavored and very tasty. You can also make your own lemon balm scented candles, which are great for the house to improve the calmness, the atmosphere, and the scent of your house. In case you want to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button. It's down below in red. Also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. Don't forget to leave any comments just in case of any. Thinking of how to preserve your lemon balm, you can just harvest the leaves and then put them in a dehydrator, or you can just wind dry them and then keep them in a nice container, and you have your leaves. You can always use them whenever you need to make tea or whenever you need to add them. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've liked this herb. Hope you've learned something new about it, and I hope you also grow it in your homes.